Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a powerful all-in-one digital collaboration tool built for modern classrooms, hybrid offices, and interactive training environments. This is the 75-inch 4K smartboard, a Google EDLA-certified interactive whiteboard running Android 14, designed to make teaching, presenting, and teamwork more dynamic, intuitive, and connected. Right out of the box, the massive 75-inch 4K display grabs your attention. The resolution is sharp, clean, and vibrant, giving students and teams a clear view even from the back of the room. Whether you're showing slides, diagrams, videos, lessons, or detailed design work, everything appears crisp and easy to read. One of the standout features is the 50-point multi-touch system. This allows multiple users to write, draw, annotate, and interact at the same time. In classrooms, this boosts student engagement. In meetings, it makes collaboration quick and hands-on. You can write naturally with your fingers or pen, erase instantly, move objects smoothly, and save your work on the spot. Because the board is Google EDLA certified, you get full access to Google Play, Google Classroom, Meet, Drive, Docs, Slides, YouTube, and thousands of Android apps all running on Android 14. That means no external PC is required to run lessons, training modules, meetings, or video calls. The smartboard also supports wireless casting, so teachers, presenters, and team members can share content directly from their phones, tablets, or laptops. It eliminates the need for cables and makes switching between devices fast and seamless. The built-in whiteboard application allows you to draw diagrams, write notes, highlight key concepts, and save sessions for later reference. Combined with the 4K resolution, content stays clean, readable, and professional no matter how much detail you're working with. Whether you're delivering a lecture, running a remote meeting, conducting training sessions, or holding brainstorming workshops, the 75-inch smartboard brings everything together with simplicity and power. It serves as a teaching tool, presentation screen, collaboration board, and central digital hub. If you're ready to upgrade your classroom or hybrid workspace with a huge, responsive, feature-filled interactive display, this smartboard is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech insights here on Gadgetverse.